This is part 2 of the question 11. Thanks to Vina for the first part. And we've got Vina's answer here. We're going to need that later on. Part 2, it's talking about an integral, and we've got to do a substitution. And of course, whenever we see a substitution, the first thing we do to it is we differentiate it. So d theta by dx, cos integrates to minus sine of x. We rearrange it to get d theta, and d theta is minus x dx. Now, this is the integral we're trying to do. We know what that is now. Inverse cos of theta. Well, we're going to need that. So I think here, if I inverse cos both sides, here, look, I've got inverse cos of theta is x. Let's try this integral. Integral of inverse cos of theta, I've just decided that that's x. And then the d theta. The d theta, that's that bit there. Sine x dx. And there's a minus coming out. I'm going to stick that minus there, keeping it out of the way. Now, we said Vina did this for us earlier. We know what that integral gives. That's what we did in part A. Here it is. And I just need to make it negative. So this gives us x cos x minus sine x plus c. It would be all done there, but it says leave everything in terms of theta. So let's see what we can do. X, we know what x is. X is here. It's the inverse cos of theta. Cos theta, we know what cos theta is. It's over here. Cos theta is theta. Sorry, cos x is theta. Minus sine x. Now, we haven't got a sine x anywhere. We've not got it at all. So we have to try and think, how can we get from here to a sine x? And the trick will be to use good old sine squared plus cos squared equals 1. And so sine squared is 1 minus cos squared. Square root it gets rid of your squared. And we know, of course, that cos x is theta. So this whole thing here is going to change to the square root of 1 minus x squared. No, 1 minus theta squared plus c. 1 minus theta squared. Sorry, because cos x here, cos x is theta, so it's 1 minus theta squared. Sorry about that. I'll just rewrite that a bit neater there. Minus the square root of 1 minus theta squared plus c.